So friends, I just got 1 minute ago my handy dandy box from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I am on the design team, so I'm going to show you in 2 different videos the kit I will be creating with, which is the main kit. And then I will show you also the deluxe theme kit for the month, which I will be, okay, I'm going to make stuff with it, but that's not the one that I've been assigned to create with. Does that make sense? Okay, so it comes in this handy dandy pizza box, and these are really great. I like to use these and keep them around for doing mixed media work inside so it doesn't splash all over my desk. And once it gets too goopy, we just recycle it and move on. Although, these aren't a bad idea to keep around either for Christmas presents coming up. Anywho. All right, so let's show you some of the add-ons that I've picked up this month first. Some are, these are add-ons, because I want to see them all too. I think that's it for add-ons. I think, yes. Okay. First of all, I got 2 sequin mixes, and they go with each of the kits. This one goes with the main kit, and this one will be going with the deluxe theme kit. Very important to open them right side up. So I see really nice orangey wood grain, brown wood grain, a seafoam green. I see a bright blue. Oh, that's gorgeous. White, and do you see the itty bitty little gold stars? Oh my word. And also let me tell you that they pack these little sequin containers absolutely full. Now the next one, let's check it out. Now the deluxe theme kit, which I'll show you in the next video, is like red, black, white wood grain, which is what we're seeing here. I see black sequins, white, and maybe charcoaly striped sequins, brown wood grain. There are red diamonds in here and silvery bits. That is awesome. Okay, y'all, they have some of the best sequin mixes ever. Now the next thing to show you is these, they're doing cuts now. So they have both acrylic and wood. So let me show you these. Oh, and their packaging is the bee's knees. Never chuck it. You can cut all these out and use them so well for embellishment clusters. So I've got this great deer with a plaid. I have this woodcut that reads November, and look at the little leaves. How cute. This reads Wild at Heart, and then there's black and red acrylic hearts with it. So cool. And the red is nice. It's a really deep cherry red. We have a cross cut of a log, and it's so cool because the outer log part is super bumpy and dark brown. Now this is cool. This is a word that reads cozy. I wanted to see real quick. All right, it goes like that. Oh, and that one's a tag. So always look on the back. And then there's an acrylic insert. So wood, veneer, and acrylic. Now these are a nice little amount of hearts with this great gingham in them. And the gingham is coming off as a really dark brown. And then we have 2 hexies. I love me some hexies. This is new. This is new. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll go over that in a second. Guys, I get so excited just to see what they come up with. Okay, we have give thanks and snuggle time. Now the back, we have hexies again, and we have arrows. They've done that before. The wood grain is darker, but they legit did tiny words. Be still my heart. We have tiny words on a deep wood grain. So yeah, yep, we've hit Nirvana. Now, previously there was a thicker, I don't know, almost like this color brown twine. So this time we've got a really nice thinner kind of celery green trim. So that's cool. It's something different to use. Oh, I bet that this goes in with this and it escaped. I bet it does. So we have another one that reads together. All right, so then this is the main kit with a mixed media element, and then we're going to have the deluxe theme kit. So let me scooch this out of the way and show you this. And I'm gonna have to run off in a minute as well because I'm roasting veggies. So I'll probably have to come back. You won't probably notice any different, but that's what's gonna be going on in my world. So let's see what we have in here. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here too. Oh, there is. Oh my gosh. I forgot I also ordered the Pink Fresh New Christmas collection. I'm going to have a lot of videos, my friends, and you can't even see my desk properly. There we go. So with my kit, my handy dandy kit, I asked if they had the extra paper pack available, and they did. Now, a lot of times they do the, or maybe all the time, I don't know. They go ahead and do a, what do you call it? They do, why is my brain broken? Oh, a cardstock set that matches and goes along with it. But your girl doesn't use cardstock that often, so I did not order that. I'm a pattern with pattern with pattern with pattern kind of girl. All right, let me get the goodies to the side and we'll look at the papers. And the cool thing is, like I said, I did get the extra paper pack, so I'll be able to show you front and back at the same time. So let's start. Oh gosh, there is so much going on. All right, let's start with this handy dandy one by Pink Fresh, brand new, hot off the presses. It is called Moments That Matter. Now, unless the backside is the absolute bee's knees, why can't I line anything up? Unless it's the bee's knees, this is the side I will cut apart and use. I mean, look at this tag that reads Good Times. We have squares, absolutely gorgeous camera to fussy cut. Oh, a nice thing to do a little list. So awesome. So let's see what the other side is. Okay, the other side's very cool, but remember, I have both. So really great triangles coming down this way. I think Heidi Swap did something similar to that. Now the color palette's really cool too. It reads as an autumn color palette you can use, but seriously, you want to cut just this piece out right here, you can get yourself an Easter layout going. So it's very cool. The next one is by Reminisce, and it is called, oh, it's from the Capture the Moment collection called Remember This Moment. So, you know, this kit club does such a great job with bringing in different manufacturers, and they just work. So absolutely love this. I love that we've got a little bit of this same mauvey rosy color down here that you find in this collection, as well as this jadeite green vibe. Now let's see what the back side. Ooh, the back side is like this photo. I kind of like it like that, realistic. Like it has like, you know, like if you try to take a picture too close to the sun and you get those orb dotty things. It has kind of that vibe going on. Nice branding strip. Okay, we have another Pink Fresh piece. It's called Like a Dream. Look at how cute. It has leafy bits, right? But it has constellations. How cute. Oh, and this is from Days of Splendor. And is the other one, is the other one called Days of Splendor? Oh, it is called Days of Splendor. See, I just don't know what I'm doing. So it's called Days of Splendor, and it is so cool. And so much of this sheet is actually done for you with all of this like border work. That is cool. So the flip side, oh, okay. So this is like a really nice mint with all kinds of moons on it. Cute. Next, from Crepe Paper Marigold. I didn't know that was a thing. This must be new. It's called Sweet Sunshine. So it's a really great plaid. We've got some tulip pink and super deep mustard. Ah, that's gorgeous. Now this one, oh, how sweet. It's this really great blue on blue vibe. I love when you can get anything with like kind of a navy in pattern paper. I cannot wait to design with this. Next, this is from Ella and Viv. It is called Wood Background number 3. And it's got a slight sheen to it, like a satin sheen. So you got a little bit of a different vibe going there. But look at, I tend to like my wood grain going this way. There's no good reason for that. I just like it. And I am digging on the green colors. You know, it looks like paint that's come off of a building. That is beautiful. Such a great find. I wish I knew that was in my kit. Like, they kind of show us quickly what is in these kits, and that's it. So we don't know till we get it. Oh, and the back side is white. So it's a single-sided paper. I'm going to go like that just so you know it's white. And my next paper from Days of Splendor, it is called Simply Magical. So all kinds of great fall leaves in the colors of the collection. It is beautiful. I absolutely love the aqua and the almost teal. It's like a creamy teal. Next, ooh, here's a background, my friends. This is the back side. It is ombre and it is a grid. Do you see the grid? I can't wait to see all this together in 1 second. And then next, this is a Bow Bunny double dot. We get lots of the double dots in these collections because they just work. And it has that really great Bow Bunny texture. So it's got a little bit of a scuffy vibe. It's called Turquoise Vintage. Okay, we can still see. And then the back side, okay, yep, totally the same vibe. The back side is, it's got almost like a brocade finish, but it's definitely textured and scuffy is kind of what I call that. And then finally, and I get to have 2 of these, so I'm going to be super lucky with what I get to do with these. These are from Maggie Holmes Marigold, and it's foil on vellum. Like I said, I have 2, so I can use it to punch out stuff. I can fussy cut it. I am spoiled with that. Now, let's get back to the goodies part of the main kit. I have this really cool wood veneer piece. It's called Wood Veneer Circles. And let me see. It is, let me see. I was going to put it up to a 12 by 12. So it's slightly smaller than a 12 by 12, probably because I expect you to layer with it. I know I'm going to get a glare no matter what this girl does with that. All right, so then let's look at the cut file. Yes, it reads cozy because this kit is called Cozy. And we've got a little bit of cardstock. I love when they do that. And I also save this packaging that they send with it to either do, I save the packaging and I do shaker pockets, and I also mix my mixed media right on top. Oh, and I didn't tell you that this is kind of like an elephant gray in the cardstock. Super cool. And I like it that it's not super big. A lot of times you get cut files and they're massive. This is the world's oldest ruler. So this one is just a smidge over 6 inches by, I mean, at the biggest point is a Y by like 2.5-ish. I mean, ish. So, you know. Our alpha, the alpha is from Pink Fresh. Oh, what fun. And it's this really great blue. It's like a super saturated cornflower blue, if that makes sense to you. So really great size too. And you guys know that the Pink Fresh packaging is the bomb. It is, can you see it? It's pale gray with like little diamond print. I'm gonna see if you can see. Sorry. My hand hit it. It's like this pale gray. I was trying to just bring like my light over with like these little diamonds. So cool. So cool. Okay. Another mixed media piece is this great stamp set. And my packaging, friends, I am so excited about that. So the packaging reads, today this you cozy is us. And then in little words, so this is, I love, proud of, thankful for. So, I mean, you can do today is cozy. I mean, there's so many great things you can do with this. I'm really jazzed. I love these stamp sets because, I mean, they get slightly themey, but they put enough in there that you can use it like year round. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. All right, we got a Nouveau drop, and this is the clear kind, and they're my favorite. They look so fab run through a cut file, just so you know. And let's see what the color is. It is called Aqua Plains. Very, very pretty. I love the mixed media component of these kits. Next, these are metal. We have these metal leaves. Oh, they are awesome. There, you can see it better. So big old amount of them. I have no idea how much, but we have metal leaves. They are gorgeous. And yeah, so we're gonna get like this cool metal vibe going on, which is gonna go really, really well with this vellum. Next, we have from Heidi Swap. These are word stickers, and they're mint with gold writing. Different sizes, as you can see. And this looks like a, is it 3x5? They're so cute. They're cute. Oh gosh, it would really help if I actually could see my letters. So 5, yep, they're 3.5 by 5. 3.5-ish? 3.5-ish by 5. So lots of good words, super generic. You can use it on everything. And they're clear, by the way. These letters are clear. You can see beneath them. Very cool. And then finally for this kit, and I'm going to bring in the sequins too. We have the entire set of these cardstock stickers from Days of Splendor, which this is awesome. Between that cut apart sheet that I'm going to use for die cuts and this, like I don't need to bring in die cuts, which is so cool. So, oh, I'm going to show you this side. I'll stop. And then this side. And that's where some of this blue comes in, is in this part of the collection, by the way. So we have labels and little words and banner pieces and all this stuff. Some really nice deep brown to bring in the autumn feel. But then there's other colors like this really great crayon red. I don't know, it's going almost towards cherry red. Actually, it's going into cherry. That can be used, seriously, 4th of July. So, Pink Fresh for the win, as always. And then finally, this was an a la carte piece, but remember, this was the sequin set I showed you. Okay, friends, stay tuned. I got to film the next video for the theme kit. And then, in the store, a la carte, I picked up the Pink Fresh Christmas kit. Stay tuned.